Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about how to take artificial intelligence from this big, kind of abstract idea and turn it into your most practical, powerful tool. Seriously, we're going to completely change how you think about AI and show you how to make it your ultimate personal assistant for, well, pretty much everything. I mean, just imagine that for a second. What if you had something that could help plan your meals, figure out why your toilet's making that weird noise, draft those tricky emails for you, analyze a giant spreadsheet, and maybe even help you get your next promotion? That's exactly what we're going to unpack today. This isn't about complex technology. It's about an accessible, on-demand partner that's ready to help. So here's our game plan. First, we'll reframe how to think about AI as your personal assistant. Then, we'll dive into how it can solve all those little everyday problems. After that, we'll see how it can become your co-pilot at work, help you make sense of data, and finally, how it can actually accelerate your own growth. Okay, so let's start with the most important mindset shift. You have to stop thinking of AI as just a fancy search engine. Instead, think of it as a collaborative partner, a partner that's there to help you solve problems. And let's get super practical right away. We're going to start with how AI can tackle those common, everyday headaches that just suck up all your time and energy. We have all been there. You get that sinking feeling when something just breaks. A faucet starts dripping, the dishwasher is making a noise it's not supposed to make, or the toilet just won't stop running. And yeah, your first thought is to go search online, but that can send you down a total rabbit hole of confusing forums and DIY videos that don't quite match your model. But check this out. The solution can be so much simpler. This is from a real user. Instead of typing in a bunch of keywords, they just grabbed their phone, they took a picture of the inside of the toilet tank, uploaded it, and just asked the AI, which one of these levers should I move? And it worked. Problem solved in minutes. No plumber, no endless searching. All right, here's another classic. It's the end of a long day, you're tired, you're hungry, and you're just staring at this random collection of stuff in your fridge. Half an onion, some leftover chicken, a lonely carrot. The urge to just order takeout is so strong, but there's a better way. This is a total game changer. Just like with the toilet, you snap a picture, you give the AI a simple prompt like this one, and suddenly it's like you have your own personal chef. It'll look at what you've got, come up with some actual creative meal ideas, and even give you a super short shopping list for the one or two things you might need. I mean, this saves time, it saves money, and you end up wasting way less food. It's brilliant. Okay, now let's take that same thinking from our kitchen and bring it into the office. Because AI is quickly becoming an absolutely essential co-pilot for work, especially when it comes to dealing with the nonstop flood of emails, messages, and documents. Think about having to write a really tricky email. Maybe you need to ask your boss for an extension, or you're trying to navigate a sensitive issue with a coworker. The old way is just painful. You're staring at a blank screen, agonizing over every single word choice. The AI way, you just give it the main points. Like, hey, I can work this weekend, but I need to take Monday and Tuesday off next week. I'm really excited about this project. And boom, the AI takes those raw thoughts and instantly gives you back a polished, professional email that sounds perfect. Now, this next one is just a massive jump in productivity. Imagine this. Your boss asks you to turn a 10-page Word document into a full presentation, and they need it, by the end of the day. Instead of spending hours copying, pasting, and formatting, you can use a tool like Microsoft Copilot. You just tell it to create a presentation from that Word doc, and it generates the whole thing. Branded slides, relevant images, and even speaker notes to get you started. It's an incredible time saver. Okay, so AI isn't just about creating stuff. Its power to analyze information is, well, it's mind-blowing. It can take a look at messy, raw data, whether it's a spreadsheet or a bunch of customer comments, and pull out the clear, actionable insights that you actually need. We've all gotten that email with a giant spreadsheet attached. You open it up, and it's just this wall of numbers and text, like this sales data from the Kevin Cookie Company. You don't even know where to begin looking. I mean, you could spend an hour trying to build pivot tables and charts, or you could just ask a question. So you just upload the file and ask, what was the most popular cookie type? And you get this, an instant, simple, easy-to-read chart. You didn't need to know any formulas or anything. This makes data analysis something that anyone can do, not just the spreadsheet gurus on your team. And yeah, it looks like chocolate chip wins. Big shocker there. And this isn't just for numbers. Think about qualitative data, like sifting through hundreds of user comments from a survey or your App Store reviews. Trying to do that manually would take days. With AI, you can just paste it all in and ask it to categorize the feedback, pull out the top 3 complaints or feature requests, and even suggest specific, actionable next steps for your product and marketing teams. It literally turns a wall of text into a strategic plan.
But here's where things get really exciting. AI isn't just about making your current tasks easier. It's a seriously powerful tool for your own growth. Think of it like having a personal tutor and a career coach on call 24/7.
So, let's say you want to learn a new skill. AI can create a detailed study plan just for you. If you're stuck on a tough problem, it can walk you through it step by step. It can even generate mock exams so you can test yourself. Or, get this, you can have it read a nonfiction book you're into and pull out all the key exercises and turn them into a personal workbook. It's personalized learning at a whole new level. And let's talk about a task that pretty much everyone dreads, writing your own performance review. The old way is this painful process of trying to remember what you even did 6 months ago and then struggling to make it sound good using corporate jargon. The AI way is so much more strategic. You just list out your big projects. The AI can then help you frame those accomplishments using the language of your company's core values and even suggest measurable metrics to really show your impact. It turns a chore into a huge career opportunity. So, to wrap it all up, we've basically seen AI wear 4 different hats for us today. It can be your personal assistant for all that life stuff. It can be your work co-pilot, making you way more efficient. It can be your data analyst, finding the signal in the noise. And it can be your career coach, helping you level up professionally. Ultimately, this isn't just about being more productive or getting more done. It's about getting back your single most valuable resource, your time. By having AI handle the tedious stuff and speed up the complex stuff, you free up your brain power for the things that really, truly matter. So I guess the real question to leave you with is, what are you going to do with all that extra time?